Hey guys, today I want to talk to you about Synth. Many of you have heard about it, and it's a very exciting new product that works with the existing KIT OPS ecosystem. Synth is generative iterative design. What do we mean by that? Well, Synth auto-generates 3D designed objects using recipe-based instructions. It uses an iterative mode to quickly generate a multitude of different designs. Synth is a Blender add-on, and it's part of the KIT OPS ecosystem. It works in conjunction with either KIT OPS Free or Pro, and uses recipes and algorithms to smartly place KIT OPS inserts on target face selections. Synth uses seed numbers to generate designs. A batch mutation feature called Iterator creates a user-defined amount of iterations, where the user can choose one or more as final candidates. And Synth is not a Greeble or Nerney generator. Of course, a recipe can be made to do those sorts of things, but it's not the design intention for Synth. There are a number of ways Synth can be used. And we're going to talk about how to use Synth with existing inserts to create different designs. So, as I mentioned, there are many ways to use Synth, and let's go over the 3 basic ways. Number 1, let's use Synth in a randomized exploration mode. And number 2, we'll use Synth as a one-button design generator. And thirdly, we'll use Synth over and over to create and refine a design. So stay tuned for more videos on learning about how best to use Synth.